Hello viewers, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to deal with blank data set. So the things we are going to cover: how to find columns with NaN and how to find a row with NaN. Basically NaN means not a number, and how to drop entire column contains NaN, how to drop entire row that contains NaN. So let's start with a data. So this is my CSV file, and I have created some blank cell out there. You have to do it by yourself. I will be giving the CSV file in the descriptions. So just whip one and save. Okay. So you will be doing this by yourself. Now import pandas as PD. Now read the data file. So pd dot read CSV. Just name the file name forest fires.csv. Now just have a look in the file. Okay, so this is my data file out there. Now if you see the info df.info out there, so you can see in the x column there are 517. In the columns like RH there are 514, so there are uneven element number. That means there are blank data cell out there. So I want to find, let's say, is null and any. So print this column, print this code, line of code. Then yeah, then you can see out there X contains no blank cell, Y contains no, and the day, so no, FFMC contains blank data cell. So if there is any blank data cell out there, then in a particular column it will be showing true. So obviously there is a true out there and true out there. So if I want to see the how many blank cell out there in a particular column, then I have to write this code. So write print df dot is null, then sum. And you can see in this column I have 5, in this column I have 2 and n, and in this column I have 1, and in this column I have 3. So if I want to find the columns that contains blank cell, then I have to write this code: whole missing headers equal to call, for call in df dot columns if df call out there dot is null a. So if I expand this code, it should be like this one: call missing, just give a blanket out there, then write for call in df dot columns, then write if df call dot is null dot any, then call missing values dot append, the appending call. So it will be returning the column, particular column. If missing a particular cell in null, then it will be returning true. So if it is true, then this line will be executed, and column, and that particular column will be appended. So this is how I will be finding the columns. Now this exact code works just like this one. Okay, so this is the shorter format of this one. Now I want to print the column, so call missing hellos. Okay, now check this one. So you can see out there ffmc contains 5. Okay, so it contains blank cell. Now I have that column out there, and similarly dc contains blank cell. Similarly rh contain blank cell, and rain contain blank cell. So I have all the columns that contains at least one blank cell. Now if I want to see the rows that contains, or index that contains blank cell, then I have to run this code, row missing hellos equal, write out there row for row in df dot index if df dot ilog, keep the index out there. Row out there, sorry, then write is null, then write any, and if we want to print this one, row missing values. Okay, now I want to print the df dot height. Just comment this or cut this line. Okay, now so run the code, and these are the columns out there, and these are the rows which contain at least one blank cell. Now and you can see this column out there, sorry, this row out there, one, it contains blank cell and it is out there, and you can see the 3, it also contains blank cell. Okay, this one and this one and this one. So this is how you can find out the rows and columns. Now I want to delete the entire column that contains at least one blank cell. So to do so, write this code, df equal df dot drop any, then give access out there, it will be, yeah, access out there, yeah. So you can see out there there is no ffmc column, so I have dropped that column, and there is no dc column, there is no rh column, and there is no rain column. And now I want to drop the rows that contains, what should I say, blank cell. So for that reason, df equal to df dot drop any x is 0, and comment this line out, and you can see I have column sorry, row 1, and there is no row 1. So the row 1 contains a blank cell, so I have dropped that row, and row 3 there is no 3, and row 4 there is no 4 out there. Okay, so this is how we can draw entire column, entire row. Now if you draw a entire column and entire row, then it will be a huge loss of data. So to uh, overcome this drawback, we'll go for some techniques in the next tutorial. So see you then. Thanks for watching.